Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid review. And this one came from, well, it's Euqada, E-U-Q-A-D-A. And they make filters for air conditioners in RVs. And we live full-time in an RV, and we have a mock air conditioner. And so they sent us this pack of air conditioner filters. And I believe it is a generic size filter for a mock air conditioner. And so we did have to trim it down a little bit. So we did have to trim it just a little bit. So we trimmed off the top part, and it's perfectly a good size with just a little bit of a trimming. And so we're going to pause this, and I'm going to have Susie show you how it fits into our air conditioner. These are great. All right, Susie, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to, put it in the right way first.
Okay.
And fits right up in there.
Perfect.
And then this is the cover. And bottom in and snap in the top. Super easy. Ta-da.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Looks great.
Gonna come in handy.
And those are way tougher and more thick than the ones that we had originally.
I think they'll be way more efficient.
I think they'll be great.
Yeah.
Awesome. 2 thumbs up.